everyone, how are you all? Well, today I'm back with a new topic, that is geometry. I have not done any video on this, and the simple geometry today I have not done about simple geometry. Okay, today I'll do a bit advanced one, that is about parallel lines. What are parallel lines? What are collinear lines? What are concurrent lines? Okay, and those points. So I'm going to show today that. So let's share the screen and start without talking much. Okay, then the simple one, what is point and all, I will tell you in my different video. Okay, I'll make one more video for that and I will show you. So I hope you can see these lines with points in yellow color. And one more thing, see the line names I have given in small letter L, M, N, O, P, Q. Those are lines. Okay, and these are points which are in capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are points. So we will start with parallel lines. So I will tell you what are parallel lines. Okay, so first see simple point when you take, let me explain only. This is a point when you take, so this is called a point. So from point, when a line start with an arrow, this is called a ray. Okay, and when there is arrow both the side, this is called a line. So these all are lines. Okay, these all are lines. I have not given an arrow, so you can put an arrow like this. So these all are lines. Wait. And when you don't put arrow, that becomes segment. Segment means a part of a line. So if I draw simple like this, that means when I have given a big line, you have cut a portion of it. So that is called a segment of the line. This all thing you can represent by giving a name like point A, ray. So if I give a AB as a ray, so you have to put like this. Line, if I want to mention it, so you have to give like this arrow. Segment means AB, so a segment. Okay, and parallel line means when two lines go parallel to each other and there is a equal distance between them, those lines are called parallel lines. Okay, so we will talk about parallel lines and the points on it. So let's start. First I'll say, this type of sum, whenever you get, the first question will be, number one question, it will be, write the parallel lines. Write all the parallel lines. So write all the parallel lines. So what are my answer? My parallel lines, see, first is L, M. First, one thing you will do, always start with the first one and then compare all. So let me start with L. So LM, LN, LO, LM, LN, and we can say L. Actually, LO we can't say, sorry. LM, LN, MN, PQ, ON. So these are parallel lines. LM, you can say MN, LN, O, these two lines. So these are my answer of my parallel lines. Number two question can come. What are intersecting lines? So intersecting lines. So what are intersecting lines? Intersecting line means when a line cut each other. Only two lines, there will be two lines. Okay, when two lines cut each other, this is the point. So this point is the intersecting point and these two lines are the intersecting lines. So just see in our figure, there are so many intersecting lines are there. For example, you just have to write 2, 3, but you can write as many as possible. See L, Q. So let me write it like this way, lines and points, so we can do it together. So which two lines, L and Q, they are intersecting with each other, LQ, and where is the point? At which point? D point. Then you can say LP, LP you can write down, and which point? The point is C. Then you can say L, N. L and N, they are intersecting at this point, that is the point B. Okay, like this many are there, so you can write anything. M, O. See, M, O, where it is intersecting at point E. So wherever you see two lines like this and a single point, so two lines, see here, H is there, I'm not writing all, H is there, L is there, I is there, K is there, J is there, G, C, F, so many are there. So these are called intersecting lines. When two lines cut each other at a given point, that point is called intersecting point, and the two lines are called intersecting lines. Now we will show what are concurrent lines. Concurrent line is an interesting one. Concurrent lines, what does it mean? You know, when, see, from a point, enormous numbers of lines can pass each other. See, like this, if I say, so many, like a sun is giving ray of light to every direction. So you, from a single point, any number of line can pass. But if I say from 2 points, how many line can pass? Only one line can pass. If I say join this line, only one line can pass. So 2 line you cannot say, but a point, from a point, enormous number of lines can. So these all lines are called concurrent lines. Okay, so these all lines are called concurrent lines because they are just passing through a single point. So our third question will be, what are concurrent lines, or name the concurrent lines? Concurrent lines, so we will write it in the same way. Lines we will write down and the points we are going to write. Clear? So what are the lines? See, concurrent means first time we have done intersecting lines where two lines passes, but here in concurrent, more than two lines we have to find out. Okay, so concurrent. And one more thing is there, in intersecting part, wherever you get concurrent, F, that last time I told you, F you can take because this is intersecting also. And means a concurrent line, a concurrent position can be intersecting, but an intersecting position, this position B, cannot be concurrent because two lines are passing. But a concurrent position like F, it can be intersecting also. You can tell as intersecting also. Fine. So what will be our answer? So first will be like this one. I can see F at point F. What are the line passing through this? M, P, N. M, P, N. Okay. MPN passing through the point F. So this point is, F point is concurrent. Then any more is there? Yes, H. H is there. So H is there. H, which are the lines used? N is used. So write down N. O is used. N, O. And P is used. Okay. N, O, P is used. So H. Okay. Any more you can see? So I have found 1, 2, 1, no more is there. Only this 2 is there, and here 3 points. No, only 2 points only I can see. Fine. Then our last part, that is collinear points. Collinear lines, you cannot say what is collinear points. When you take a single line and above that line, on that line, how many points? If you find more than 2 points, those points are called collinear points. It can't be 2 only. It has to be 3 or more than 3. Okay, minimum 3 or more than 3. So those points are called collinear points. So what will be our answer? We can do same way. You take as lines and points. So you write down, just you start with L. So on line L, I can find 4 collinear points, A, B, C, D. Yes, on line M, I can find E, F, G. Yes. In line N, 3 points are there, H, comma, I, comma, K. And on line O, you can see A, comma, E, comma, H, comma, L. Yes, so many are there, right? So you can write as many, if it is there, like in line M, done L, M, N. Line P is there. Line P, you will see C, comma, F, comma, H. Line Q is there. You will find D, comma, G, comma, J, comma, I, comma, L. So many are there. So it has to be 3 or more than 3 points. Okay, that will be our collinear points. So that's all for today. Please go through this full video. This is very important, and this is especially for class 6 people, class 6 students. You all can see this, and it's very easy and very scoring. You just have to understand the concept, and then you can score at least minimum 5 marks will be there. So just go through this full video. Thank you for watching the video. And if you like my channel, and if you like this video especially, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Ta-da!